Andarki namaskaram, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good and safe too. If you are newer on this channel, my name is Rupesh Minchla. I do travel vlogs. So today I'm starting a series on my hometown, a new series. So in this series I'll be covering places in and around Tirupati. So there are some beautiful places I'm exploring with my friends recently. I'm not vlogging because I thought vlogs will turn out very short, but yesterday night I have decided, even though vlogs will be short, I will show you my beautiful hometown Tirupati. So every week I'll try showing places in and around. So yesterday it was raining like crazy, so I know a waterfall place, so this time it will be so good. So yeah, plan is to go there. It is around 10 kilometers from here. So I'm making myself a breakfast. There is a little bit of trek, I'll get hungry and all. So let's go breathe some wild air, eat some breakfast, do some off-roading, fly some drone, get some shots. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So after so long, I'm traveling with my Pablo to somewhere beautiful. So all the vibes of trip, but unfortunately it's just 10 kilometers. So it's gonna end soon, but till then I'm gonna enjoy it. So beautiful fields all around.
Every day I reach out to you as a high, baby. Let me warm you up.
So this place is Ramapuram and we need to take a right in the next village. I'll show you that turn, and the road will be very slushy, I feel, because rain, but Pablo can handle it, right? Yeah. So I always wish that I can trek these mountains easily and camp there, but I'm still learning, getting some knowledge about camping, and you need to have courage to camp alone in the forest like this. So need to walk a lot, but definitely one day we'll do solo camping and all. Yeah, definitely. So this place is Gangamambapuram. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. Place where we need to take right, and I'm sure that it's going to be very slushy road. So yeah. So this is the road into the woods. Very slippery road. Be careful while coming. Oh no. Shit. I told you no. Very, very slippery. I almost dropped my bike. Almost. So finally made it to the starting point of trek. From here we have to park, obviously. So trek for 2 kilometers as I told you, and this is the situation here. I know this because of that reason I wore my Crocs. So yeah, I need to wash them. So yeah, these are the views. I'm getting Mullayanagiri vibes. Maybe because of rain. So green, as you can see. So maybe we'll get some couple of drone shots and start our trek. It is super hot already, so without wasting any time, it's the hard part. Let's go for a trek. So you get to see this beautiful pond on the way to waterfalls, and it's so peaceful. We have to do some off-roading with our legs too, but no problem, I got my Crocs. Lot of grip. So this is the view so far, and I'm not putting any background music because boats are already giving, so I hope you can hear. And this is the view. And I forgot to mention, there is a leopard roaming around, and I saw in news that it is attacking people. So we are deep in the forest now. I'm definitely not in a mood to meet her, so hope we don't meet. So finally made it to the place. I'm just taking a break to have some water. It's been long since I've done trekking, and you can hear the water stream, right? Let me show you. So these are the water coming from waterfalls. We have to go a little bit further to the main falls, and this is the stream. So I'm a little bit hungry. Maybe I'll have some sandwiches here and then go. No, I'll have that. Yeah, with the view. After half an hour I made it to the place, and it's crazy than before because it's raining all the week, and after so long I'm gonna have my breakfast with the view. So this is what I'm having for my breakfast: egg cheese sandwich with mayo. Must with the view. Life is so good right now. Done with my breakfast, relaxed for some time, and I also took stories for Instagram. In case you're not following me on Instagram, handle will be somewhere here. Go follow it. Chala hadaud untundi, updating stories and all. So for now, as I told you, it's a new place, so no people around. Whole place is for myself. So I'll walk around, get some shots, check this place out. this is how much I sweat. This is the end of the trek. So I told you that there are no clouds, right? There is a good news. Look who's here. Some clouds, so which means I can do motion laps. I'll try 2 to 3 shots. Check this out. Heading back home, I need some serious bath. So if you're watching from Tirupati, share with your friends with whom you want to travel to this place. So it's near and beautiful. So came back to my house with a lot of tan as usual. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is my first episode of Tirupati series. Hope you like it. Share with your Tirupati friends. So I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. So until then, stay blessed. Peace.
I will warn you. Every day I reach out to you.